chatbots.
Hi, I'm Roland Leggat from Insight Australia, where I work as a technical strategist. Today I want to talk to you about how I use Copilot as an IT consultant. So sometimes I get pulled into calls to talk to customers, and the call is not exactly what was on the agenda. A classic example of this is I may get called in to talk about data loss prevention. When I get on the call with the customer, what they really want to do is compare 3 different XDR or extended detection and response technologies. I have not prepared for this. What I normally do is on one of my second monitors, I've got the meeting on one monitor. On the second monitor, I'll type in a prompt where I'm looking for a SWOT analysis of these 3 competing technologies, and I'm looking for an ROI and a total cost of ownership around managing this. Within a couple of minutes, this allows me to take full advantage of the opportunity I've got to talk to the customer and give them exactly what they're looking for, allowing the smartest person in the room, which isn't me, it's Copilot, allowing the smartest person in the room to create that SWOT analysis for me. So let's have a look at what that looks like right now. In the IT department, how we can use Copilot is doing things like I'm going to Microsoft Chat or my Copilot assistant here. I can choose to get information from within work or from the web. When I choose to get it from the web, I could simply ask Copilot a message like, create a SWOT analysis of 3 XDR, extended detection and response products, Defender, Sophos, CrowdStrike. Use Gartner and Forrester as your primary resource and include a TCO and ROI in bullet points. At this point in time, I just hit submit. Now, normally this would be information that would take me a long time to gather from multiple different resources, but in this case, it's gone through within a minute and pulled in a decent report for me from 6 different websites, comparing these 3 different products and giving me a full SWOT analysis of them and including total cost of ownership and a return on investment. It's also given me citations of where it's got the information from. So when I use Copilot, I get much richer information than doing a traditional search. And this really helps with my productivity and allows me to understand complex technical issues in a short space of time. In the IT department, I could use Microsoft Copilot for capacity planning, change management. I've created adoption plans around change management using the ADCAR framework for the adoption of Office 365 Copilot. I've seen organizations create an ITSM or a service desk chatbot that is put together in 7 minutes, and simply by pointing it to your ServiceNow catalog or your FAQ pages that live in SharePoint, we can quickly and easily stand up a chatbot without having the branching and stemming questions that are fairly complex to do in legacy chatbots. As an IT user of Copilot, I have found that this really enhances my capability and capacity to deal with technical questions. So, if you're a techie, try out Copilot, try out the Copilot Studio. Simply go to copilotstudio.microsoft.com and start building it. Be curious and have fun with this.